Ever hear your cat make weird sounds? This is why you need to listen to your cat. Those odd noises are actually messages. Ready to decode meows? Ready to decode chirps? Ready to decode trills? Most strange cat noises fit 3 categories: trying to communicate, asking for something, grabbing attention; chirps, saying hey or showing excitement; trills, friendly greeting or excitement; drawn-out meow, food please or open that door; loud yowls, pet me now, or urgent; chattering, can't reach prey, high excitement; tip, soft chirps, friendly; tip, frantic yowls, urgent; listen, respond. You'll start speaking fluent cat.